The renovations of the over 140-year-old station building resulted in the construction of a new iconic open-air train hall. Due to its position directly behind the historic Beaux-Arts-style station building, the train hall has a swooping structure that adopts the station's axis of symmetry while creating a dynamic contrast between the old and the new. The primary structural system for the train hall consists of 11 steel arch trusses that support a tension PTFE fabric. These trusses span 55 meters from a single large diameter pin connection atop 5.5 meters tall arched column supports. Each truss is stabilized by bracing struts. At the center of the train hall, the arch trusses are replaced by cantilevered trusses, opening the canopy to the sky. A bustling, 2-block-long pedestrian promenade links the train hall to the SOM-designed light rail terminal. At the same time, an enhanced network of pedestrian and public spaces within and around the site seamlessly integrates the hub into the surrounding neighborhoods. What's interesting to know is that the canopy rises 21 meters at either end and descends in a dynamic sweep to 7 meters at the center to protect passenger platforms below while providing expansive views of the historic station.